This is Lucas with Fastcap, and this is the cabinet crown holder. This is an awesome new little jig to help install a crown on top of cabinets. Features of this: 1, no holes in your cabinet. It works with your 35mm hinge cup hinge. It has a little insert so you can do a screw-in style hinge or an expandable hinge, and you can snap this onto either a left or a right hand door. The only thing you have to do is to take this off and flip it from one side to the other for left versus right. It's made right here in the USA at Fastcap out of very durable fiberglass filled ABS, so it'll last you forever. And awesome feature about this is that it'll actually work in 2 different ways. So when you're doing your first layer, your starter, you can slide it up and keep it close to the cabinet here while you're installing that starter. Then when you go to do your second layer, you just take this, remove it, flip it around, and it'll clear around your starter layer to hold up your next layer. Cabinet crown holder from Fastcap. Get yours today. You're gonna absolutely love this product.